In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play Just Dance on Nintendo Switch. I have in here this article that should be able to help us. First, get the game and then decide which version you want. You can buy it online as well as in person, and once you have purchased it, you can consider playing it. We have in here our Nintendo Switch. Just grab a controller, customize your name as well as avatars and flags, and from in there, select a song and dancer that you want. So you should be able to see in here how those will look like. You just follow the dance moves on the screen, and that's how you actually gain points by getting super, good, okay, and X. So you can follow this. You can also pay attention to the pictograms on the bottom as well as pay attention to the gold moves so you can head over and then do them in order to play it and score the highest score for that. With this, you can earn stars for a certain score, and you will start to actually do this once you try shooting for the superstar or megastar level. Just practice to get better, and you should be able to do this. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.